The global COVID-19 pandemic has thrown up unprecedented challenges in every walk of life. Fortunately, technological advances, impressive infrastructure, and past experience laid the foundation for the development of the COVID-19 vaccine at a lightning pace. The second wave of COVID-19 is playing havoc across the globe, and especially in South Asia and India. During the pandemic, let's discuss how to deal with symptoms of cancer, cancer diagnosis, cancer treatment, and COVID-19 vaccination for cancer patients. First and foremost, and the most important is, do not postpone your visit to see the doctor if you have any symptoms or suspicion of cancer. If you delay, you will land up in late diagnosis and advanced cancer. We should understand cancer will not wait for the COVID to go away. If you are diagnosed of cancer, never postpone the cancer treatment as advised. It could be any treatment, surgery, radiation therapy, chemotherapy, targeted therapy, or immunotherapy. You should go for the treatment. Please go ahead with the treatment as advised. It is absolutely fine to go ahead with the planned treatment during this COVID season. We understand that you will be more susceptible to develop COVID during the treatment of cancer, but it is even more dangerous to avoid cancer treatment. All the hospitals are taking extra care to prevent COVID infections to the patients who are undergoing cancer treatment. So please do not hesitate or postpone cancer treatment. Let me clarify some questions about the COVID vaccine for patients with cancers. If someone is just diagnosed of cancer, you can still go for COVID vaccination and wait for 2 weeks before you start the cancer treatment. If cancer treatment is ending now or in the near future, you go for COVID-19 vaccine 2 weeks after the completion of the treatment. If chemotherapy cycles are ongoing, you can go for COVID vaccine in between the cycles when the patient blood counts become normal. Please do not do vaccination on the day when you take chemotherapy. If immunotherapy or steroids are to be given for cancer treatment, you may go for vaccination anytime. Cancer patients are more vulnerable to COVID-19 infection. You need to take all the precautions to prevent COVID infection. If infected with COVID-19, cancer patients have higher chances of severe infection as compared to the general population. We understand that and we take extra care of them. For cancer patients, which vaccine is preferred is a normal question, a common question. Honestly, either of them is good and safe. Even the Sputnik vaccine, which is going to be started by the end of May, is equally good. What is the best time to get COVID vaccine for cancer patients? Currently, on active cancer therapy, chemotherapy, it is always in between the chemotherapy cycles when the blood counts are normal. Cancer patients who have recovered from COVID-19, should they get vaccinated? Yes, they should also get vaccinated without any hesitation. For cancer patient given all the dose, for cancer patient given all the dose of COVID-19 vaccine, should there be any travel restrictions? Absolutely no need. However, they should follow all the necessary precautions while traveling. If cancer patient already vaccinated for COVID-19 now develops COVID-19 infection, should he be treated in the same manner as a non-cancer patient? Yes, usually it is usually mild and we don't need to worry about it. Are there any contraindications for COVID-19 vaccination? As of now, no, unless the patient is sensitive or allergic to the vaccine or any kind of ingredients of the vaccine, they might develop allergic reactions. So, however, it is very rare to have allergic reactions. Cancer patients are not contraindicated for taking COVID vaccine. All cancer patients should take COVID-19 vaccine at the first available opportunity without hesitation. Cancer patients should receive whatever COVID-19 vaccine is available. All vaccines have similar efficacy and prevent serious virus infection. COVID-19 vaccine may be less effective in cancer patients, but it does provide immunity. It does give you protection no immunity versus some immunity is always better. So please do get vaccinated. Special monitoring is usually not required after COVID-19 vaccination in cancer patients. Some exceptions exist that will be decided by your treating oncologist. So I would like to answer some more questions. For example, can cancer survivors take vaccine? Yes, they are normal individuals and they can safely go for COVID vaccination. Someone has just completed cancer treatment, can they take vaccine? Yes, they are absolutely safe to go ahead with vaccination after the cancer treatment is done. Someone has undergone surgery for cancer, can they take vaccine? Yes, they can, then they should. Someone is on radiotherapy treatment, can they take vaccine? Yes, of course, it is absolutely safe to get vaccinated anytime during the radiation therapy. Radiation therapy is normally for 4 to 6 weeks. You can go ahead with the vaccination. Someone on hormonal therapy, can they take vaccine? Yes, anytime they can go for vaccination. Someone has undergone bone marrow transplantation, can they take vaccine? Yes, please, they can go for vaccination. Someone undergoing treatment for leukemia, the blood cancer, can they take vaccine? Yes. Whenever the blood counts are normal, the treating oncologist would let you know the correct time to go for vaccination in a leukemia patient. I hope I have clarified most of the queries about cancer patients and COVID infection and vaccination. Finally, I would like to repeat, please do not postpone getting investigated if you have any symptoms or suspicion of cancer, and do not avoid cancer treatment just because COVID is around. Take good care of yourself, keep social distancing and wear a proper mask to protect yourself and others. God bless, take care, we are there to take care of you.